Homemade turmeric face pack for glowing skin. Number 1. Honey and turmeric face pack. Honey is an excellent antibacterial ingredient. This property helps in keeping your skin clear. You will need 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. How to make and use this turmeric face pack. Mix cornstarch, turmeric and honey to make a smooth paste. For dry skin, add oil to the mixture. For oily skin, add lemon juice and yogurt to create a creamy mixture. Apply the mask to your face and neck. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a warm wet cloth to remove the mask. Repeat 3 times a week to get that extra glow. Number 2. Sandalwood, tomato and turmeric face pack. Sandalwood rejuvenates the skin and improves complexion. It also fights against skin aging problems. You will need 1 tomato, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. How to make and use this turmeric face pack. Cut the tomato into half and segregate the seeds. Add the turmeric powder and sandalwood powder to 1/2 of the tomato and mix it well. Uniformly apply this paste on your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse your face with warm water. Number 3. Aloe vera gel, honey and turmeric face pack. The antibacterial properties of aloe vera gel help to get rid of skin-related problems like acne, pimples, dryness, blemishes, etc. You will need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey. How to make and use this turmeric face pack. Mix all the ingredients to make it a paste. Apply the mixture properly all over the face, and then wait until it dries. Use a warm wet cloth to remove the mask. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week.